Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Cell-Night Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. This one also does have the hands-free package where you can swipe your feet and the electronic trunk will open up. Clean set all season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for the different driving patterns. This C-Class has 30,796 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.